Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with this haul from the Dollar Tree. And I had been commissioned to do some stuff for a party, so I had to pick something up, and I picked up some stuff for my cousin as well. So, kind of a lot of big haul. So, let's see. I'll put these up first because we all trying to go to the store at the same time. We alternate. We live by each other. One of us to go and get our stuff. But anyway, so these are some. You've seen these, so she needed that. And then, no, I think it was new too. The XL, I can't remember if I showed that. That might have already been shown before, I think it was. So I had to get, mine got wet. It's a long story, but anyway, so I went on. Some got wet, the others got damaged. But anyway, I just want to get some more. And some. And another green. That was for my cousin. But anyway, these were just crepe paper. Keep those in stock. They did have, I don't know if you've seen those, the fat quarters. They had some more fat quarters in. They have 4 designs. I just got this one. So these are good. You know, you can make some masks or something out of them. Sorry about the bag, but I'm just putting this out of the way. Had to get some bags altered for a party, and then commissioned to do, and hopefully I had time to do videos for them. I will. I did pick up this tray, organizer tray, which I already have one before I used, but that one's got stuff in it, but that's for something else. So anyway, for candy, I have to make some chip bags, and then some more decorative candy bars. So that's what those are for. Not for me, thank God. That's what's supposed to be in there. It's just different, you know, the Hershey miniatures, Snickers, Reese's, and the Milky Way. I'm sure you all have seen them. Some more of the foil. To wrap the candy bars in. These, I got these. They could probably go with making tassels. Just the tassels. I use them on your own hair. And then I got these. I think this is the last of everything. That has this stuff. Yeah. The butterfly die cuts. So I got the pink, the orange, and the blue, and they've been there for a while, but I wanted to get them this time. So I think that's everything for this haul. So hopefully I'll be able to come back, show you some of the projects. Sometimes I get so busy I don't have time to make a video for the party stuff, but anyway, doing a lot of that right now this season. Anyway, take care. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Stay safe, and I dare you to be creative. Bye-bye.